If you're considering feeding your dog a raw diet, here are a few things to think about. I've shared in the past about freeze-dried raw dog food and had several people who wanted more information. There are many benefits to feeding your dog a raw diet. Dogs who eat a raw food diet have shinier coats, healthier teeth, and better digestion. Raw foods are less likely to cause allergies or other health problems in dogs than commercial diets. These may contain preservatives and fillers that can upset the stomach and even lead to cancer. Raw food diets are great because they feed the dog what it would eat in the wild. That would include a varied diet consisting of meat, bones, and organs. This can also help to keep their teeth clean, which reduces plaque buildup. Raw diets offer the best possible option for feeding our pets because they contain all of the nutrients that dogs need to be healthy and energized. Dogs who eat a raw diet are less prone to certain health problems like obesity, diabetes, arthritis, kidney disease, or heart disease. A raw diet is also beneficial for dogs that suffer from allergies or food sensitivities because they are getting the appropriate nutrients needed to manage their symptoms. You can speak to your vet about specific concerns if you have them. Your dog can be fed a raw diet on any budget. Here are a few tips. Buy in bulk when possible. This lowers your cost per pound and you'll have more on hand when you need it. Get creative with your ingredients. You can't always afford to buy expensive cuts of meat, so visit your local butcher, farmer's market, or grocery store for cheap options. Get creative with meals by using leftovers like vegetables and meats. There are two ways to feed your dog on a raw food diet. The long way involves purchasing the basic ingredients you'll need to feed your dog a raw diet, such as meat, vegetables, and small quantities of fruit. Freeze the meat for 1 to 2 days to ensure that there are no parasites present before you feed your dog. Then, defrost. Cut the meat into pieces approximately 1 inch square. Dice the vegetables into small pieces, tossing in some fruit to get a little variety. Be sure that they get a variety at every meal. There's an easier way though. Feeding your dog a raw food diet can be a lot of work. And if you work outside of the home, you may not always have to prepare each meal from scratch using raw food. Thankfully, there is an easy way with Rago. Rago is a new premium option for dog food. Rather than traditional kibble, it uses only fresh ingredients that are air-dried to preserve their natural nutrients. This raw diet includes gently dried meat and vegetables, as well as fruits like apples or bananas, all of which have been preserved in their most healthy state. With Rago, feeding your dog a raw diet doesn't have to take a lot of time. You can choose options made from beef, lamb, and chicken. Join the loyalty program to save on your purchases and start feeding your dog raw today. Check out the blog post for more information.